Alright, what's up, bro? This is B-Man1313 with our new EV vehicle. What? This is the Ego bike, and I'll get you more details soon. I'll give you a quick walk around. Not that anything's different on one side than the other. It has the Shimano gearing, and this is, like I said, I'll get you the stats pretty soon. This is the main voyage. The Wiz put it together while I was gone to a motorcycle madness, and so we're gonna see, we're gonna check it out. All right, I don't know what's on, what's off, but we're gonna find out. Let's see. Oh, it's on. This is the assist, total miles, trip miles. That's cool. We'll go ahead. I never take these off, but for the sake of this video. So we have trip meter. I've been 0.2 miles. Assist, total miles. Let's see. I don't know how to change the. Right here, you have to put that on. 6, 5. This goes up to 5. Let's see if we hold that button down. Nope. If we hold this button down. Oh, it works. What I was trying to do was put it on. That was the walk mode that you want to just walk beside it, watch. But I don't want it on walk mode, I want it on ride mode. Whoa, that's on 1. Holy crap. That's on level 1. Alright, 3 miles. Wow. I'm telling you, I'm impressed. I'm satisfied, number 1, but I'm impressed. It does what it says, and that's you can't fault that, and you can't beat that. It does what it says. Here I just noticed it says it's a 48 volt 500 watt motor, 26-inch tires at level 1 assist. So what you do here is you can change it with the plus and minus. At level 1, if you pedal or you give it gas, I'm gonna say gas, if you give it electricity power, it'll go up to 8 miles an hour. At level 2, power or turning, it'll go up to 12. Level 3, power or turning, goes up to 16. 4 did something kind of funky to me, but I'm gonna assume it's 18 when you give it power. But I got up to 19 on it, and then on 5 it's 20, right at 19.9. It wouldn't go over 19.9 on a flat. Just, I mean, it's not a perfect flat, but it's close enough. And wow, very, very impressed. We took it off-road here on my front hill, came down, it went up this hill, we rode up and down all our little yard. Pretty cool, and you can see I'm breathing. I mean, I'm not out of breath, but I got a little bit of a workout in just 3 miles. Very nice, very, very nice. I'm super excited. I'm super happy with it so far. I mean, yes, I've only gone 3 miles, but it's done what it said it was gonna do. 3 miles, and the battery didn't drop. That was my biggest worry, is how's the battery gonna hold up. I'm 200 pounds, so yeah, I'm not a light person. It looks In the picture it looks small. Me on it, not so much. It's a good size bike. I love the one piece. I love it. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. My first suggestion to anybody, go through and tighten everything, check over everything. I did not, and I should have, but go over everything and make sure it is as it's supposed to be. So yeah, first verdict, I'm happy. I'll get you more info.